Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm really excited for this one because I'm finally getting my groove back doing nails, and I'm so chuffed to show you this set because I was so proud of it. So what I'm starting off with is Madam Glam's Amazon, and that is a base coat, but it's got sparkly glitter in it. It's gorgeous. So I'm putting that on the little finger. I don't know why I put it on the little finger because I just covered it up later, but I'm putting it on the middle finger and the pointer finger as well. And then I'm using Beautiful Chaos, which is a metallic gel polish, and that's going on the free edge of the pinky finger, the pointer finger and the middle finger, because I want these tips to be kind of sheer, because I'm going to be using something, some crushed shell pieces over the top. So I'm just sort of feathering that Beautiful Chaos up a little bit. I didn't really need to do it because the coat was so thin, you couldn't really see it anyway. And then I'm using Madam Glam's Builder Gel in Lavender colour. I love this colour, it's absolutely gorgeous. And this gel's so easy to work with. So that is going on the top of the nail. So I'm just putting a thin coat on first, and I'm stretching that all the way down the nail just for the first coat. And then I've got this gorgeous crushed shell that I got, I think I got it off eBay ages ago. It was years ago I bought this. But it's absolutely gorgeous, and it comes in really tiny little pieces. I don't like using the really big pieces, they're hard to encapsulate, but these bits are just the right size, I think. Well, for this set anyway. So I've sped this up because it took me ages to put all this shell on, because I wanted it exactly where I wanted it, if that makes sense. And I didn't want to just put loads of it on and it all clump up. I was putting every piece on individually. So on the middle finger, I'm putting it all over the free edge, but then on the pointer finger, I'm just putting a little bit in the middle. And then when I'm happy with it, I'm curing it. And the builder gel takes 60 seconds and the gel polish takes 30 seconds. So after I've put a bit more of the lavender builder gel on the top of the nail, I'm going in with a base coat on the where I've put the shell, and that's just going to help to stick that shell to the nail and make sure that I've got something between the shell pieces. Because if I just went in, next I'm going in with the clear builder gel from Madam Glam, the Pure Serenity, and if I just put that straight over that shell, there's a chance that I can get air bubbles in it, because it's a thick gel that I'm putting over the top of something with gaps. So that's why I use the base coat first, just to fill in the gaps a bit. And then I'm just building the nail up now, so I'm putting the clear builder gel on the free edge where the shell is, and then I'm putting the lavender builder gel on the top of the nail, just to build up the shape of the nail and get that right. But I love using this builder gel. It's just, I think it's just the right consistency for builder in a bottle. It's the best. It's really good. I mean, I use the gel bottle as well, and I think, to be honest, I think they're about the same. But I love all the colours that you get in the Madam Glam ones, and I think that when they're cured and everything, and they've got top coat on, I think they look like acrylic when they're finished, so I love that about them as well. They're all a little bit sheer. So when they've all had the final cures, after each coat I do cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm just going in with some alcohol on a bit of kitchen towel, and I'm just wiping that off. And then I'm moving on to the pinky finger, and I'm putting 2 coats of Beautiful Chaos onto that pinky finger. So I do show you putting both coats on. And obviously I cure them in between for 30 seconds. And then I'm putting more of that on my palette. You can only just see it at the bottom there. And I'm using Milky Dream from Madam Glam, which is, it's a glittery polish as well, but it's a lot lighter. It's like a very light lilac colour with shimmer in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. The camera didn't pick up all the shimmer, but it's beautiful. It really is. And then I'm doing sort of a marble on the pinky finger, so I'm mixing the colours together with the dotting tool and then putting them on the nail with the applicator brush. And I'm just sort of moving it around so that all the nail's covered in it. And then that gets cured in the lamp. I did cure that for 60 seconds because it was a bit thick where I put it, so I wanted to make sure it was properly cured. And then I'm getting out the butterfly. It's one of these. And these are so cheap from Charlie's Nail Art. I can't remember the exact amount, but I will put it on the screen. It's about 25p, something like that. It was in my last haul video that I did for them. I got some foils and I got these butterflies as well. So what I'm doing is I'm putting some builder gel onto the nail after the Milky Dream's gone on and been cured, and I'm also putting some on the charm itself, the butterfly itself. I don't have any glue, any rhinestone glue or anything like that. I only realised just as I was doing this, and I thought, well, I'll just use builder gel because it's just on the practice hand. It's not like I'm wearing it on my nails, so that should be enough to keep it on. I don't think top coat would be enough to keep it on. And then I'm going in with the top coat. And I absolutely love the way this set turned out. I just love that builder gel anyway, but I think putting it with the shell, you know, and making the tip clear so you could really see the shell. If you stay to the end of the video, there are some macro shots that I did, so some really close-up photos of it. And you can see the Milky Dream shimmering a bit on those, and you can see how gorgeous the butterfly is. But yeah, I hope you like this set as much as I did. I kind of wished I'd done it on my nails, but it would have took forever. But yeah, they are so gorgeous. Love them. I hope you like them too. So yeah, make sure you look at all the photos of these. This is how they turned out in the end. So links to everything that I've used in the video will be in the description box as usual, along with all my discount codes. So make sure that you go and have a look at that so that you can save some money. And yeah, please give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And don't forget to head over to Instagram as well and like the pictures on there, and give me a follow if you're not already following me on there. So thank you so much for watching, and thanks for all the comments that people are leaving me. I'm loving being back. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.